So today we will be making yellow curry paste. So this is an instant paste from Thailand called MAE SUPEN. Might be butchering the name, but so it's a selected combination of Thai and Indian spices, and it's a yellow curry paste. So the ingredients are pretty simple to follow so far when I look at it. So let's just try and make it. All right, let's start. So I'll just add in a little oil first. Let it heat up. All right, so once the oil is heated up, we can then add in onions. This is half an onion. Let it chop. Next, we'll be adding in, so I have garlic and ginger paste here. So I'll add in about this much. And just stir it. And then I'll just throw in a handful of curry leaves. Stir it for a bit, so until it comes just a little brown. Alright, so now I'll be adding in the yellow curry paste. Right, so when we add this in, also just add in 1 cup of water as well. Alright, so now I'll be adding in coconut milk. Alright, so here I have chicken that I'll just add in. Alright, so next I have potatoes. 1 potato, I'll just add it in. And then we'll just leave it to simmer. Alright, so once you see it started to boil, we can then add in salt. So I'll be adding in about half a tablespoon of salt, roughly. And then of course, if it's not enough, you can just add in a bit more, so salt will just be to taste. And then depending on your preference for spiciness, some may not really want spicy food, so if it's too spicy, you can always add in a bit of sugar to reduce the spiciness. Alright, so after letting it simmer, we can then see that the yellow curry has now been cooked. So I've already added in salt and everything shown earlier. So the chicken is cooked, the potatoes are also cooked already, so it's ready to be served. Alright, so this is yellow curry chicken, all done, well cooked and ready to be eaten.